Hi! In this tutorial, you will learn how to replace the text behind the object in Photoshop. Let's get started. Select the first layer. Go to the Select menu and choose the subject. Remove the extra area with the help of the lasso tool. Then select the text layer. And press Ctrl+G to create a group. Next, create a layer mask. And click on the Invert button for the Property panel. With the Move tool, replace the text layer anywhere you want. Please like the video to support us and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.